This training video looks at the AFS 2337 brush cutter from Bosch. The power unit and the attachment are fitted together without any other tools, using the knurled nut and the locking button. The adjustable shoulder strap and the strap mount provide optimum tool balance for various body sizes. The combination cutting system makes it easy to change between extra strong line and blade. The AFS 2337 brush cutter uses 3.5 mm fixed, extra strong cutting lines to ensure high endurance cutting without having to frequently change the line. Spare cutting lines can be stored in the safety bar. The line is suitable for long, coarse grass and weeds, whereas the blade is used more on nettles, brambles, and thistles. Now have fun with the AFS 2337 brush cutter from Bosch.